A OnePlus device called the OnePlus OPD2404 and believed to be the OnePlus Pad 2 has popped up on Geekbench, confirming the tablet will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. This reveals 8GB of RAM and Android 14. The Oppo Pad 2 had similar specifications as the OnePlus Pad, so the OnePlus Pad 2 and the Oppo Pad 3 could share similar specifications. The OnePlus OPD2404 scored 2,103 and 6,297 points in Geekbench's single and multi-core tests. Based on reports, OnePlus Pad 2 will feature a 12.1-inch LCD panel. It will offer a high 3K resolution. Additionally, the tablet targets gamers with its 144Hz refresh rate that reaches a peak brightness of 900 nits. Starting from the design, the OnePlus Pad 2 will have an all-metal body. This ensures a premium experience over a plastic build. The sleek design and premium build quality are essential in the high-end market. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, paired with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The device was launched with Android 14 base ColorOS 14. In the camera department, the OnePlus Pad 2 is likely to 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front shooter. Running the beefy hardware is a 9,510 mAh capacity battery with 67W fast charging support. Earlier reports said that the OnePlus Pad 2 will launch in the second half of 2024, but few reports say that it could launch early July, and launched at starting at 37,999 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.